Okay, I've had a few questions asked about me about acid washing. Okay, well, acid washing itself isn't too hard to do. You go and grab some of this nice smelly stuff. You can see it. I don't know if you can see that, but it fumes at the top. Try not to inhale too much of that, it's not really good for you. The idea is that when you get oil stains on your pavement, you pour this stuff on. Try not to breathe this stuff in, it doesn't do you any good at all health-wise. And then basically you wet the concrete first, you pour the acid on, you allow it to sit, wait till you see all the steaming to finish. If there's still a couple little stains, you can get anything simple. Take anything, really. And you can see the little black mark here. You just give it a little bit of a scrub there. That'll get the acid back into the newer concrete and allow it to really bite in. Most stains will come off after about 3 or 4 goes. Don't let it go dry. If you let it go dry, it'll stain your concrete yellow. Rust stains are the same. If you get the whole rock onto the rust stains, any sort of little black marks you see, that just helps the acid get in there a little bit easier. You can use a broom, you can use anything really just to stir up the acid a little bit, get it to bite in a bit deeper. But the trick of the trade is just don't put it on dry concrete, it'll stain it yellow. And so you always wet your concrete first, pour it on, spread it around. You can use a broom for that, or a squeegee type tool, and then just let it sit and wash it off, and then repeat the process 3 or 4 times to get the stains out of the concrete. Easy done.